Let's work on the second group of adjectives, the adjectives ending in ni. So group 2, adjectives ending in ni. So this is the masculine form, the form we will find them in a dictionary, and the ending will become nie, nie in plural. So just as a reminder for you, the general rule, how would we change the endings? Because we change the endings for masculine, feminine, and neutral, and will become plural for adjectives. So plural we already know now. It's nie. Nie. And for masculine we already know it because it's written above. Ni. What would be the ending for feminine? Try to remember this. It's difficult to remember because you're just beginner. Don't worry, once you will become advanced, you just need to remember only one example, and then straight away you just need to remember one example, and straight away you will be able to give the rest of the endings. So for feminine is няя, ня-я, and for neutral it would be не-е, не-е. I'm highly suggesting you to go back to the section where we learned adjectives and adjustment of gender of adjectives to the gender of noun. However, for now, let's see an example. We got masculine, feminine, and neutral. So let's take last. Last is последний. 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 Last. Ending ни. So, последний. What could describe последний in masculine? Последний урок. Lesson. Урок. Урок. Последний урок. Ends in consonant, it's masculine. How would we say plural of lesson? Lessons in Russian. We got masculine word ending in consonant. Basically we end it with I. We add I. Уроки. Уроки. So урок becomes уроки. It's kind of easy rule. You just need to go back to the section of plural of nouns and repeat it, and you will understand where this I is coming from. Basically, if we got a masculine word ending in ka, one of the options, so we will end it with I. We add I. And последний, we already know how to establish the plural of adjective. We just need to replace it with nie. Последние. Последние. Последние уроки. Last lessons. Последние уроки. Now, how would we say last page? Page is страница. Страница. Страница ends in a, so it's feminine. It can only be feminine. So, страница. How would we say last page? We need to adjust последний to the feminine form of adjective. Here we got it, feminine. If we got adjective ending in ни, we need to replace the ending with няя. Последняя. 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 Последний becomes последняя. Последняя страница. Last page. How would we make pages out of page? Страница ends in a, and this is the general. This is actually easy. So if we got feminine word ending in a, we replace a with y. Страницы. Страницы. Страница becomes страницы in plural, and last, последняя, the ending няя becomes nie. You can also learn it with ni. If you can recognize straight away how the masculine, how the dictionary form of adjective is looking like, what kind of ending will it be, then you just need to memorize only one ending and then derive everything out of this ending. Or you can memorize 3 endings and you will see that няя becomes ние. Последние. Последние. Последние страницы. And the last one, let's take a word. Last word. Word was слово. Слово. Ends in O. Слово. It's neutral. Basically, because it ends in O, it's neutral. How would we make last word out of последний? We would need to change ending with нея. Последнее. Последнее. Последнее слово. Слово neutral ends in O. How would we establish the plural words? We need to replace O with A. Слова. 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 Plural of words. And last words would become последние. Again, either you derive it from the ending нея, нея becomes ние, or from masculine, then you know не is the neutral form for this ending, and then you replace it with не. Последние. Последние. Последние слова. Last words. So again, write it down for you. Ни, няя, не are becoming ние. This is important. This is important to understand where the endings are coming from. And basically, if you got any questions about this and previous and the following lesson, you need to go back to the lesson which we learned how to adjust adjectives to the noun, to the gender of noun, and how to make the plural out of nouns. So, урок, уроки, страница, страницы, слово, слова. All of those words are following the general rules and they should be easy for you to establish.